an African drongo. She has to shade her 3 eggs from the scorching heat of the sun. As soon as the chicks hatch, she will form an immediate bond with them that is unbreakable, whatever happens. After hundreds of hours of incubation, her first chick. Now the hard work really begins, because the newly hatched chick needs food. It won't be long before one mouth is joined by 2 more, and this chick will then have to share what the female brings back. Or will it? The chick is getting rid of any competition. It wants its mother's sole attention. Feeding time. When she's not away gathering food,